Okay, YouTubers, we have here, we're gonna unbox MiraCase 2021 military grade universal cell phone holder for your vehicle. Of course, we have your standard literature, instructions, warranty card. See, this MiraCase car phone holder, ultra stable and strong suction, hands-free dashboard, windshield, and air vent car phone holder, fits most mobile phones. We have here, this one's for the dash. Sections right there. This is the one that you put on the dash. Put this on. This is the actual phone holder. Put that in there. Here's also what you put in your vent. It has a reserved charging port. The reserved space for the charging cable. It's not going to block the charging of your phone and allow for hassle-free charging on the road. That's where you put your phone. There you go. Sample right here. Right there. And you can put it right there. So you can charge your phone while you drive it. You can rotate, like I said, 360 degrees for the best viewing angle. And it has a reusable and washable sticky gel. You can either put this on your windshield, like I said, on the dash. Once you stick this on the dash, put it on there. On the next video, we'll show you how I would use it. Thank you for watching.